The Bear Facts. The Wizard Bears Theatre presents the days of the week. Come close, children, and hear my tale. I am old as cliff and dale, and wise, for I was a wizard's bear, and learnt more spells than I should care to count or tell. Yes, I can make a giant creep, change a simple puddle to a fathomless deep. But these are spells I seldom choose. The magic I prefer to use heals and makes well. Come close, children, now we'll play. See in this box small trees of clay, small bears of wood, like simple toys. But these are not simple, girls and boys. Soon you'll discover why. See them yawn and stretch as the spell takes hold. See the trees put on leaves, the bears grow bold. See my magic box like a scene unfold. The planets spin, the stars untold ride across the sky. Now we are ready. The theatre bell rings. The bears are waiting in the wings to tell a story of ancient fame, of how each weekday got its name, of the planets that circle round the sun. Hush, my dears, the play has begun.